In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Privacy. Then scroll down to tap on App Permissions. Tap on any of those features that you wish to manage and tap on one of your apps. For example, I will go with Camera to manage my Chrome. Now pick one of those options to apply a perfect one for camera access in this case. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. And go back. You can also select any app, scroll all the way down to access all permissions, and manage all of those only for chosen one, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!